All right, so we're doing some headlight restoration on the Volvo right now. Would have done more videos on this thing. I've been very, very busy. I apologize. So I want to at least do this one. I went out and picked up this Mother's New Lens stuff. You get this ball right there, this cleaner, some 1500 grit sandpaper discs, 800 grit. That's a 3000 grit right here. And basically, this is what the passenger side had looked like before I started. You know, you literally cannot even see the bulb. It's horrible. This thing is just terrible, okay? This side here I got done as much as I'm going to get done. Look how clean that. You can see the bulb in there just fine. You can see both of them in there. You know, it's very, very clear. I've been at this on this one light for about a solid 40 minutes to 45 minutes. The way you do it, you start out with the dingle ball there and some sauce. Low speed. Don't go fast or it flings all over the place. And I work my way just nicely gentle across all the way. Don't hit your paint if you can help it, because you don't want to put scratches in your paint. Right into here was very, very yellow, and this came out nice, and down here did not. That's where you got to read the directions. You get yourself water. You put your 3000 or your 800 grit on, and you wet sand the whole thing. Okay, you get your water on there and you wet sand it, nice and even. Rinse it off, clean it off. You go to your 1500 grit. Same thing. You wet sand it, a lot of water. You get it nice. Rinse it, dry it, clean it off. Make sure it's dry. Then you take a 3000 grit disc, dry, go back over it so it's all nice haze, clean it off really well, and go back to this stuff. And it's not perfect. You know, I'd say it's about 95%. Might come in here again tomorrow and do another application of just the waxed or the buff compound stuff. One of these headlights from Volvo is like $700 because this has HIDs from the factory. You can buy these set off Rock Auto for $300 with factory halogen bulbs. I have HIDs, so I was not willing to spend almost $2,000 on headlights when I bought that for $32 at Advanced Auto Parts. Walmart has it for like $30 also. I'll put a link down below for it just in case anyone wants to try it. If you're wondering, yes, I have tried the turtle wax, the hand with little square pads you got that you have to do by hand, and was not was not impressed by it. Nothing bad against it. It just did not work even a fraction as well as this kit does with the drill. It just really made such a difference. And I mean, you can see in there so nice and clear now. Looks almost brand new. You know, it's got some scratches and stuff. Then you go over to this, and it's like, geez, that thing is just horrible. So make a video about that, a little review there. I wasn't going to make an hour-long video of me sanding a headlight. Literally, if you can't read instructions, don't do it. It's so easy. So hopefully you guys will get some use out of that before you go and buy new headlights and save yourself some money. So we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.